Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking. This is Anila Fashion. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to read the tape measure. This is the measuring tape. How to read it in inches. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm first of all going to take away the metallic at the end of the tape measure. I'm going to take it off and then show you how you are going to be reading the tape measure. So this is a very simple tutorial for beginners, and this is a 60 inches long um, tape measure. So let me take off the metallic parts and let's get straight to the reading. Okay, so this is how it came out after taking away the metal objects at the end of the measuring tape. So let's start reading. So it has already been labeled with 1 inch like this, the straight lines in it. This is 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, up to the last inch that you have on the measuring tape. Okay, so the most important ones that we need to learn is the lines in between the inches. You understand? So first of all, we have this short line, another line longer than the first one, and this short just as the first short line that we have like this. Then we have the very long line, longer than the previous lines. You understand? Then we move to another short line, another a bit longer line, then a short line. Then we come to the straight line which marks the 1 inch. I hope you understand. So let's start. The first short line is a point. It's called a point. The first short line is a point. The next longer line is a quarter. So a point, a quarter, and a point. Then we get to the half inch. So as you can see, this is divided into, let's say this is 1. If we divide 1 by 4, get 1 out of 4. Okay, so this is how we read it. The longer line after the shortest point, we call that one quarter. We call that one quarter. And another point, we call it what? Quarter. And the longest after the quarter point, we call it half. Half of an inch. Half of an inch. Okay. Then you come back to another point. This is a point. Then you get back to another quarter. You understand? Okay. So we call this a point. This is a point. Quarter. You understand? So when another point adds to the quarter, we term it as a quarter and a point. A quarter, when you're measuring something and it's up to here, you call it a quarter and a point. You understand? Now, when you're measuring something and it's up to this side, then it means you have 2 quarters. Like this first quarter, but this one is longer. So we call this half. Because 2 quarters gives us what? Half. And a half divided by 2 gives us what? A quarter. So a quarter, a quarter and a point, then we have half. You understand? So this is half. When you're measuring something and it reaches this point, you call this half and a point. Half and a point. You understand? Okay. Now, when you're measuring something and it reaches this point, you call this, half comes before this. So you call it half and a quarter. Half and a quarter. Half and a quarter. Normally, if you've been following my videos, I normally call this 3/4. 3/4. 3/4 because this is 3. When you divide them into quarters, you should have first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and then the fourth quarter, making it 1 inch 4. You understand? So 4 quarters gives us what? 1 inch. That is why normally you hear in my videos I say 3/4, then it means a half and then a quarter. A half and then a quarter. Okay. Now, any point after the half and the quarter or three-quarter inches, after this, we call it three-quarter of an inch and a point. Three-quarter of an inch and a point. Or better still, you can call it a quarter, sorry, you can call it a half, quarter, and a point. A half, quarter, and a point. A half, quarter, and a point. After this, then you get your full inch. So how many inches, sorry, how many quarters gives us an inch? I want you to leave that answer in the comment section. How many quarters gives us an inch? I just mentioned it. Leave it in the comment section. Okay. Now, how many points gives us an inch or 1 inch? Let's count them. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 points gives us what? 1 inch. And then 4 quarters gives us what? 1 inch. So that's basically it, guys. Now, after this, after the 1 inch, if you measure something and it reaches here, you will term it, you will term it as 1 inch and a point. An inch and a point. Or better still, when you measure and you reach here, giving us another quarter. 2 points gives us what? A quarter. 2 points gives us what? A quarter. Now, when you reach here, actually, you get 1 inch and then a quarter. 1 inch and a quarter. You understand? Okay. Now, when you measure something and it surpasses the quarter to that point, to the next point, you are going to pronounce this as 1 inch, a quarter, and a point. An inch, a quarter, and a point. When you measure something and surpasses this one and it comes here, you can see we have 2 quarters in front of the inch, sorry, the 1 inch. So you are going to pronounce this as a half. So this is half here. So you are pronouncing this, you're going to say 1 inch and a half or 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. You understand? When it surpasses the half and it gets to the next point, you're going to pronounce this as 1 inch. Sorry, you're going to pronounce this 1.5 inches and a point. The end is making it similar. So 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches and a point. 1.5 and a point inches. 1.5 and a point inches. When it surpasses the point and it gets to here, you're going to pronounce it as 1 and then 3/4. 1 and 3/4. You understand? Yes. So that's basically it. When it surpasses this and it comes here, you're going to pronounce this as 1 3/4 and a point inches. 1 3/4 and a point inches. When it surpasses the point and it gets here, then you get to 2 inches. So that is basically how you're going to be reading it up to the very end. So let's do a quick a Q&A in the comment section. So how many points gives us a quarter? How many points gives us a quarter? The next question is, I want you to provide me an answer in the comment section. The next question is, how many quarters gives us a half? How many quarters gives us a half inch? How many quarters gives us a half inch? And how many quarters gives us an inch? How many quarters gives us 1 inch? How many quarters gives us 1 inch? Okay, the next question is, how many points gives us 1 inch? How many points gives us 1 inch? And the last question I'm going to ask is, how many half of an inch gives us 1 inch?
How many half of an inch gives us 1 inch? Okay, so this is basically it for the tape reading. Leave a comment in the comment section if you didn't understand anything, and I'll be glad to see your answers in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.